Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to get a free Skillshare Premium account for up to 3 months. So let's get started. First of all, you need to create a Skillshare account. Create a Skillshare account if you don't have one already. So here I'm going to fill in the details. Click on sign up. After clicking on sign up, you'll be redirected to the payments page. Now here, you don't need a credit card for this to work or a PayPal account. Here you click on the gift card or discount code option. Then you input the discount code, which I will drop in the video description. After that, you click on apply. As you can see, it has been applied successfully, so you go ahead and click on the activate button. Here you can see you can go ahead and select the skills you want to learn, or click on the let's get started button. So now let's head over to our profile. Click on the profile icon and click on account settings. Here you click on payments and the payments option at the left hand side. As you can see, we have a membership that will expire on August 25th, 2022. So that's all guys. Thanks for watching this video. If you really enjoyed this video and it works for you, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you also share to your friends. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.